Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore more about the item. This program is to entry our company's item basic data. And as you know, item is one of the important thing in business. And there are so many items that company have to entry and monitor. That's why SystemEver provide this item entry menu. The main function is to entry all the data related to the item, because every item has a unique variable like item code, item category, UOM, and many more. This is the item entry menu, and we will explain to you from the interface. On the upper side, you can see the action button like new, inquiry, save, save as, delete row, and delete, and we call it the toolbar area. And below the toolbar screen, there is a control screen where we can control and entry the data related to the item. And on the toolbar area, we can see action button, name, new item generation, wrap item. If we click it, the pop-up screen will appear, and we will explain more about this feature. And remember, SystemEver also supporting set item or bundling package system. So, the main function of this menu is to make subordinate item from the parent item. Let's take a look on the details. First, before we click the new item generation wrap item, we have to entry all the data related to the item. For example, we fill it item name with test 7 and then fill the item number with 007, item in asset category, goods, and then this is active, standard UOM EA, and then item category, it's tester. Okay, after this, we have to save. Okay, after we save it, then click the new item generation wrap item. But before you click, remember to give the checklist on this and then click the new item generation wrap item. As you can see, this is the box, the pop-up box, and on the box you can see two different lines. First line is wrap item information and the second line is new item generation info. When you click, you can see the test 7 data that you already made before and click it. Now the box will fill with the test 7 data like wrap item name, wrap item number, inventory asset category, standard UOM, and also item cat level 3. Okay, after that you have to fill the new item generation info like we save as gen 7 and for new item number 071. Okay, then click the item gen button. Okay, and now by the way, there are some features that we can use on it. Before we click the item gen button, we can give checklist on item sales unit price, customer sales unit price, purchase units price, and it will generate the data from the test 7 data as a parent item. So you can open item inquiry menu to check whether the data is already saved or not. Okay, just click it. Okay. And next, we move to control screen, where we can find the red color data that mandatory to fill it, like item name, item number, inventory asset category, item status, standard UOM, and item cat level 3. Fill it first or we cannot continue to the next process. And other data like specification, name in English, are optional, so you can fill it or not. Okay? And take a look on inventory asset category. We can choose the category as a product, semi-finished product, goods, or set item. And on the item status, we have several options like temporary, active, production suspend, transaction suspend, and disposal. And standard UOM is blue color. It means we can use the code help. Just type UOM and the result will come automatically. For example, you want to search kilogram, just type K and then it will shown as a kilogram. Okay, And choose also the domestic or import status. It depends on the company business model for this item. And next is item cat level 3. This is also the color also blue. It means we can use code help. Just double click on the box and the option will pop up immediately. And I also want to inform the condition that we cannot change inventory asset category. For example, item 7 is already saved, and then we make the sales order and save it. After that, we back again to this item menu and want to modify the inventory asset category. If we change and try to save it, there will be a warning dialog box stating that we cannot change because there's an active activity using this item. So that's the final of item entry part 1. We will see you on part 2. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.
Should you have an inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.